Hi everybody, it's Tina here from Hummingbird Tales. How are you all? Oh my gosh, I think it's been about 3 or 4 months since I've actually been on YouTube. I did take a break. It wasn't planned. It's just the way it sort of turned out. But I'm back now, and I'm back doing more journaling because I've spent the last few months since Christmas making lots of the Lunar Lapin rabbits. I made this, sorry, I'm hitting the thing now. I made my Dorothy Dormouse, who I absolutely love. And the trouble is, everybody now sees one or sees them in the family and they want one. But what I will say is, I've started journaling again. This is a winter journal that I'm working on at the moment. So hopefully it shouldn't be long before I finish it. And then I can show you what I've been doing. Anyway, the reason for this video today is because I was contacted by a company, a little business called Your Creative Studio, and they asked if I would receive one of their boxes and show you the contents on video, and that's what I'm doing. Now, they had sent me this a couple months ago, and I've explained, you know, with one thing and another, I just haven't had the chance to do a video on the unboxing, but I'm going to do it now. So please forgive me, Your Creative Studio, because I really appreciate the fact that you asked me to do this for you. Anyway, I chose the vintage box. So what I'll do is I'll open it with you. I've just got the address side underneath. We'll have a look at what's in here, and then I'll let you know where you can purchase their goods. So I'll just open the box up. Now this is how it's come. All I've done is literally opened it like this and taken out the card that was inside. Isn't that pretty? So it's covered in with tissue, beautiful sticker, and Your Creative Studio on the inside of the box. So I think the best thing to do is let's just, you know, rubbish I am at doing this neatly. Oh, I didn't do a bad job. So in here, this is what it looks like. And wow, look at these goodies. Absolutely perfect for journaling. I'm going to fold that on itself. Right, so I'm going to move that to the side. And let's get everything out. Okay. So in the bottom, oh my gosh, look at these papers. So here we have some papers. Oh, they're so beautiful. You know, the winter journal I'm actually making for someone. And then I'm going to do my black and white one for Vito. I know you've heard this hundreds of times, but the next one has got to be nature because it's been a very long time. And, you know, it's actually been about a year since I've actually done or made proper journals. Oh, look, I think, are these adhesive? They might be. Can't do it with these nails, but they might be adhesive. But they're absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? Really beautiful. So that's the papers in here. Yes, so it's been about a year since I actually made proper journal and embellished one, because like I said, I've been sewing lots, and it's just been a really hectic time with all the lockdowns and everything, you know, family and running around after kids and stuff like that. Beautiful. And then here we've got a little pack. Well, there's a little box in here, so let's open this up. I love all these bits and pieces. They just keep things really interesting. And that slides. Oh, they're labels. God, there's tons of them in here. Right, I'm not going to look through every single one, but you've got numbers, you've got blanks, you've got these with like number 51, number whatever on. And then down here, look, sorry, I'm off camera. You've got actual tiny numbers down there. Some of these are really small and some of these are really quite big, and some have got lines, and oh wow, there's loads of them. So that is brilliant. Look at that. Fantastic. Lots of things you can do with those, from tags, embellishing your pages. I'm not going to force them in. What I'll do is I'll sort them out properly after the video. put that one over there. And then here, oh, look at these. Cottage Garden. And I think these are papers as well. But they're little tiny bits. Let's get these out. And they're just little papers. So pretty. Pink one. Oh, they're lovely. Wow. And there's more here. I'm doing this standing up, so I'm trying so hard not to knock the camera. Oh, these are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And then here, look at that. This is washi masking tape, Your Creative Studio. The way they package their stuff is just gorgeous, isn't it? And it's like really exciting. Oh, look at this. That's very similar. In fact, I think it is probably the same as those papers we just opened up a moment ago. Really pretty. Wow, I'm loving this. Absolutely loving it. And let's put this back so it's neat, so I don't wreck it. Beautiful tape. So that's washi. Then there's another little packet here. It says The Pursuit of Happiness, and looks like it could be little tickets. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a little book. Oh my gosh, look. It's a little book of vellum type tickets. How cute is that? Wow. I haven't seen anything like that before. I mean, I've seen little vellum bits and pieces. It's quite a thin vellum, so it might not even be vellum, but it certainly feels like it. Oh, fantastic. Wow. All these goodies. And I know that it's not very expensive to purchase one of their kits. So this is a cling stamp. And again, packaged beautifully with one of their stickers. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. Oh. And they've got quite a deep part on the back, so they should stamp quite well. Oh, look. I just love things like this. Oh, whoopsie daisies. So they are foam stamps. Oh, how lovely are those? I love them. And let's open. Oh, now look at these. These I've actually bought these in the past. And it might have been from this company actually, but these are beautiful. Now these are vellum and they are stickers and they are beautiful, all botanical. And there's still more, folks. So here we've got, oh, let's put that down, another packet. Let's open this one up. Paper ephemera. So this, to go with the pages here, this is like cards. Like, oh, they're double-sided journaling cards. And I think they're all the same. Yeah. Then you've got these. And that's the back of them. And then you've got these. They're brilliant quality. They're not any flimsy sort of cardstock. And then here, oh look, we've got rub-ons. Or are they stickers? Oh, it's a sticker sheet. How pretty are these? This would make an amazing nature journal. Vintage nature, wouldn't it? And then here, oh, look at this. I don't want to open this. These are tickets that you rip off. Oh my gosh, I don't want to open it. But I should, because I haven't purchased it. Right, let's get in here. Scissors. Where's my scissors? Because you know me with my ridiculous nails. Okay, let's get in here. Get the packaging off. because it's very tightly wrapped. That's why I didn't really want to open it, but we must, because this was kindly sent to me basically as a gift. Right, let's put that over there. Everything's falling. Here we go, we're in. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh look, you've got, oh, it's all strung together. I mean, even the little box is beautiful, but look at all of these. And I believe there's, oh look, so you've got paper ones, you've got bits of vellum there. Oh, they are beautiful. Oh, these are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Whoopsies. Come on, Tina. So you've got all these birds and butterflies and buddies. This is fantastic. Wow. And look, I know that Andrea's got that bunny in her kit. So these are all from the public domain, I would assume. And oh, look at that. That's one of my favourites. Oh my gosh, I could be here for hours looking at all of these. Wow. And there's tons of them. Absolutely tons and tons. Let's try and get this back into some sort of order so I don't wreck it. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Come on, you. Get in there. Hang on. Slot you in there. There we go. You know what? I'll fiddle with it in a minute. Oh, that is amazing. And we've got another pack of paper ephemera. I mean, like I said, I know it's not very expensive to purchase one of their boxes, because I have done in the past. Now, are these are very thin paper ephemera, look, and it's all the same style, the vintage botanicals that we had in the papers and everything else really in this kit. Absolutely beautiful. There's two more things, not one. And then we've got here now, oh look, these are little vellum, little bits and pieces that says Journey. So these are like little tiny tickety things again that you rip off. Keep calm and smile. I just love them. Oh, look at those. So pretty. Oh, look, and these are coloured. Let's, these have got colour in them. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look at the perfume bottles. Oh, I love them. Wow. And then the last packet, it says Cling Stamped. There's another stamp in here. Oh, look at that. Wow, I will have to try these out. My goodness me. So all of this in that little box, just stunning. So what I will do is I will put the details below, because I know they've got a page on Instagram, because that's where they contacted me. And I just hope that you will go and see their different types of boxes and purchase from them, because this is just wow, what a lovely load of goodies. And I think off the top of my head it's around £20 that you would pay for all this with the postage, but again, I'm not entirely sure, but I will have a look and I will tag all the details in below. Thank you so much for watching. It's so great to be back, and I look forward to speaking to you again very soon. Bye for now, everybody. Bye.